Stock number 3997 on consignment for sale at Classic Auto Mall is this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo that's been in the hands of the consignor for 18 years. Under the hood is a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, Edelbrock intake manifold, and a TH350 3-speed transmission. It has a 10-bolt rear with 2.73 gears plus dual exhaust, power disc brakes in the front, and drum brakes in the rear. Overall, this is a nice restoration with some minor flaws, but it's been maintained very well and looks very good in a light blue paint and 15-inch rally wheels. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Easily search our inventory at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide.